Hello, I'm Kusi Rizal. This week was full of energy, creativity, and awareness at our school. Here's a summary of the major programs and activities that took place. A chapter-based quiz competition was held for class 10 students focusing on their social studies curriculum. The competition witnessed enthusiastic participation and tested students' knowledge of history, civics, and geography. Congratulations to all the winners and participants for their remarkable performance. Our creative young minds from class 6 impressed everyone with their poetic talents during the poetry writing and recitation event. The students composed original poems and recited them confidently, showcasing their imagination and command of language. To mark World Environment Day, the school organized a series of eco-friendly activities. Plantation drive. Students and teachers joined hands to plant saplings around the school's premises. Slogan rally. With banners and handmade placards, students raised awareness about environmental conservation through a spirited rally. Other eco activities, poster making, place taking, and discussion were held to spread awareness about protecting nature. Our youngest readers from class 1 and 2 participated in a delightful book review session. Students shared their thoughts about their favorite storybooks, encouraging reading habits and improving their speaking confidence. National news of Nepal. Nepal wins ODI against Netherlands. Nepal's national cricket team secured a thrilling victory in one-day international ODI match against the Netherlands. This win was celebrated nationwide as the major boost to the country's growing cricket legacy. Melamchi water supply resumes. After weeks of suspensions for maintenance, the Melamchi water supply has been restored, bringing much-needed relief to the households across the Kathmandu Valley. Rising temperatures in many regions. Many districts across the Tarai and Mir Hill regions are experiencing a sharp rise in temperatures, with mercury levels crossing 40 degrees Celsius in some areas. Health authorities have advised people to stay hydrated and avoid exposure during peak daytime hours. International news. AI Safety Summit in Geneva. Governments and tech companies met in Geneva for an AI Safety Summit to establish guidelines for responsible and ethical use of artificial intelligence. NASA's Europa probe enters final testing phase. NASA's mission to explore Europa, one of the Jupiter's icy moons believed to hold potential signs of life, has entered its final testing phase. The spacecraft is expected to launch next year. Giant panda twins born in China. In exciting conservation news, twin giant pandas were born at the breeding center in Sichuan, China. Both cubs are healthy and this event was celebrated globally as a sign of successful efforts to protect endangered species. In the closing note, this week at Java Marigold English Secondary School was a perfect blend of knowledge, creativity and awareness. With enthusiastic participation and teamwork from students and teachers, each program was a success. Here's to more learning and fun in coming days. Thank you.